Okay, in this question it says that Jane and Sarah share £60. Now, Jane receives this fraction here, but the question's asking about how much Sarah gets. Now, there's a few different ways of doing this question, but what I would do is try and work out what fraction Sarah receives. So if Jane receives 9 of the tenths, then Sarah only has 1 of the tenths left over. So Sarah will receive 1/10 of it. Now the quantity is £60, so we need to find 1/10 of 60. Whenever you do a whole number times by a fraction, all you do is you divide that whole number by the bottom of the fraction. So another way of writing this is 60 divided by 10, which is going to be 6. So Sarah will receive £6. Now, a different way of doing it is you could find 9/10 of 60, so 9/10 of £60, and work out how much Jane receives. So we're going to divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So 60 divided by 10 and then times by the top. So that would be 6 times 9, which is £54. And then you could do £60, take away the £54 that Jane gets, which would leave us with £6. So same answer.